Oh,
Why am I in black
it's
and
an
white?
entertainment. Isn't that Les Canadiens au secours de l'Europe?
It's in English too.
I think I'm in black and white, and I don't know what I did, but anyway.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it's a nice book.
Yeah. And it goes by the years.
Yeah.
Isn't that something?
And it's the Canadian side, it's not the American side like
Yeah.
you hear all the time.
They think they won it on their own.
Thank you.
I had to
Did you
square
hear
my...
that, John?
No, he knows.
Narcissistic, it's
He knows.
called.
Narcissistic.
Because his brother thinks that the Americans were the only
Oh,
ones.
no.
Sorry, David.
I'm going to put that right inside there.
I watched one of these, Dad, but I just want to...
They've had that on the TV.
I got you that, too.
Oh my goodness.
But that's got mostly American stuff in it. I just like the Arc de Triomphe because we were just standing in front of it.
Yeah.
I was just standing in front of it. It's actually my Facebook page. I'm standing in front of it.
2 DVDs.
Yeah. One's about the beach landing.
Yeah.
That's the one I watched.
Oh, there they are.
I watched one already.
Yeah.
But this one I didn't watch. It's the final battle, like Ardennes and all that,
Oh,
Battle of the Bulge.